It's so different and outside the norm of what's, normal for most people, okay, coming from a 9 to 5, as far as the work ethic, the way that you're your own boss. You have to set your own hours. If you're not used to doing those things, as you can see, this is October. I'm gonna take you back some more, and you can see how the money still coming in, still coming in, still coming in, still coming in, still coming in. Okay, and you can see, if you look down this number, this is multiple times a day. Okay, this isn't like just when sometimes when people show you proof, they're showing huge gaps. Okay, and there's nothing wrong with that. That's what they make at that time. But I'm showing you that this is multiple payments throughout the day. Okay, and when you see these 50-cent payments, that's when someone has joined for $1, and I even receive 50% of the dollar that they when they purchase. Okay, so it's not like the owner. A lot of companies, they'll actually, the owner will get the dollar, and you won't get anything unless the person moves from the trial period into the actual monthly payment period. Okay, and that's never really good. Okay, these 50 cents add up. Trust me, they add up. They add up to at least a couple $100 a month, just in that alone. Okay, so if you don't receive the 50 cents, you're missing out on a couple $100. And then you'll see, I'll show you a $10 payment. This is when someone upgrades, and they have a feature where the company itself will do everything for you. Everything for you. Okay. I think it's around about $30. Okay. 30 or $40, somewhere around there. And they will do everything for you. That means they will take over your autoresponder, put in all of your what we call swipes or messages. They will implant all of that. They will works like this. You give them your password and your username. Okay. They go inside your autoresponder, set up the entire thing for you. Okay. So you don't have to touch anything. And then give it back to you and tell you to change your password so that you are the only person that can come into your account. Okay. You're the only person who has access. Okay. So from that point on, all you do at that very moment is drive traffic. That's it. Nothing else. You don't have to do anything else. So what a lot of people don't understand is when you get into this business and they say, okay, well, you got to join, Power Lead System, or you got to get your Aweber set up, or you get Response, or whatever you're going to be using for your autoresponder. They have no clue. They go look on YouTube and it's over their head. They don't know where to start. They don't know if the person is going to buy from them, what message to give them. So this upgrade, I receive about 18, I think it's about 18% on each person that upgrades. Okay, so $10 adds up again when you're getting them over and over and over again. So as you go down, you will see the 50 cents, you will see the $10, you will see the 17.48. The 17.48 is when you pay monthly. Okay, for this particular service, you pay a monthly fee, and that's it. So if you're going to upgrade, and the upgrade isn't mandatory, you can do it all yourself with the Aweber. You can do the whole thing yourself. Okay. And if you know what you're doing, it's great. If you don't know what you're doing, well, it's going to be hours upon hours. I can tell you that. Anytime you're getting started in this business and you want to set up an Aweber account, you don't know what you're doing, you're looking at maybe even days. Okay, because the comprehension has to be there. A person like me or someone's doing it online for years, we can go in there and knock it out in about 10-15 minutes and have at least 15 messages ready to go out. But a person who doesn't know what they're doing, it may take them 2 or 3 days to even write the emails, let alone figure out how Aweber works. Okay. And so they're cutting all that time. So you say, well, why do you always have to pay? It's because it cuts hours of frustration, not just time, not just regular time, like, a couple of days or 12 hours. It's cutting the frustration within that 12 hours or within those 2 days. The frustration is what you don't want. The time is not all that valuable at times. It's the frustration that you go through inside that time period of, man, I don't know what I'm doing. I hate this. I can't figure it out. I feel stupid, whatever, whatever. Those thoughts that come to you when you're trying to figure out how something works and you've never done it before. Okay. So as you can see, this is the major reason I use my PayPal account is for automated systems like these. When I usually, what I do is I hunt for different passive income resources such as this. Okay. When I find the one that fits, then I go at it and just drive a lot of traffic to it because I know that it works, that the people will be impressed, that the refund rate will be low because it's a good product. I don't want a high refund rate. So I'm not here to try to put you in something that's not going to be good, because all people will do is just refund it. They'll say, oh, I don't like this, I want my money back. You know how PayPal, you go to PayPal and ask for your money back, they're going to make sure you get your money back. So it's not that type of party. I don't want people coming into the system asking for their money back. So I'm not going to spend my time making these videos day after day and week after week. I just want you to kind of get the understanding of why this is real, okay? I'm not going to spend my time day after day and week after week trying to promote something that at the end of the day is going to bring back 10, 20, 15% refund rate, okay? Now you may not understand those numbers, but you know, that's a high, you know, a 3% refund rate is average, okay? 2 to 3%. I really want to see zero, but that's just not the way the world works, okay? But I don't want a high refund rate, and that refund rate affects me, not just the business itself, okay? It affects me because it comes back out of my account. So when I promote something, I want that thing to be the best thing that that person has entered into. Okay. And this is by far, after 8 years, one of the easiest ways for people that I have seen, you know, and that's why I'm promoting it. That's why I'm promoting it, because it's one of the easiest ways that I have seen for people to make money. Okay.